How to open Chase Bank savings account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Chase Bank application on your device. Now, to open a new savings account, you will have to open a new bank account. It's not just online banking or mobile banking, but a new bank account itself. So, right at the bottom, you will find Open an Account option. Simply tap on that option, and since we want to open a savings account, tap on the savings account option you see there. Once you've done that, you will be redirected to a browser. You will now be required to select the type of savings account you want to create. It will grant you a form which you can fill with your legal details such as your first name or last name, date of birth, email, phone number, and other details as such. So once you are done entering all the required details by following the on-screen instructions, your savings account will be created successfully. So this is how you can open a Chase Bank savings account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.